Whenever anybody says anything really great post-adjustment, we just ask a favor. So if I was checking in with you, Rosie, and I'd said, great to see you today, Rosie, how was your weekend? You said, fantastic. Just had my first weekend without a migraine. And we would celebrate and go, that's fantastic. Always future pace. Imagine how great things are going to be after another 3 months of adjustments, so that we can do that too. And then we want to ask a favor. Rosie, can I ask a favor? One of the ways that people find out about our practice is with a Google search, and often what they see is Google reviews as well. Would you mind leaving just a little bit of a short review on your experience working here at the practice and the changes with your migraine headaches? That'll help us help a lot of other people like you. Would that be okay? People just won't say no in that situation there as well. So what we've done there is we've made it about helping other people. It's not about promoting our practice. It's just helping other people. And so that makes a huge difference. Then from there, we would just support that at the front desk as well. So as I was checking that person out, we would just let the front desk know, and I would say, hey, Rosie's just, can you help her show how she can leave a quick little Google review? And so Mackenzie at the front desk we just have the link there. So they can go to the link there. We always followed up with an email afterwards, because sometimes, or often, people are busy at that stage. Now in that email, there are a couple of things. There's the link to where it should be. And then also there's the structure of what to write, because we want to make it as simple as possible for people. So the email might be, hey Rosie, thanks so much for offering to a Google review. This really helps us help a lot more people just like you. Here's the link. Many of our patients get a bit confused about what to write as well. Here's a couple of other examples of what people have written that you can kind of use for structure. Thanks again. And that's it.